What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. If you are interested in viewing my full and in-depth review of this product, along with seeing a comparison video comparing this to other action cameras, then be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified of when I upload those videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this action camera. So here in the United Kingdom, you'll find that this GoPro will set you back around £380. If you're elsewhere in the European Union, then you'll find that this GoPro will set you back around €430. Also, if you are in the United States, then this GoPro is approximately $400. Now don't worry too much about the pricing, as this action camera is always on sale, and if you want to find the cheapest and most competitive prices, then be sure to click the links down below in the description section to go check out those prices. The experience of unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 is very similar to that of its predecessor, the Hero 7. That being, under the box you'll find a pull tab, and pulling along this opens the bottom of the box, allowing for the GoPro and its included accessories to be slid out from the bottom. Opening up the box to take a look at the included accessories first reveals the battery. Now this battery has a capacity of 1220 mAh. and will take approximately 2 hours to complete a full charge. And battery life on this GoPro can be anywhere from 50 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the resolution and frame rate at which you're recording. This is then followed up by a USB-C to USB-A cable, which will be used for charging up the GoPro, along with also the ability to transfer files to and from the action camera. The next included accessory is the curved adhesive mount. Now this will allow you to mount the GoPro to a curved item such as a helmet. If we flip and open the box from the other side, you'll see the included documentation. The first of these is details on a service from GoPro called GoPro Plus, which allows you to have unlimited cloud storage and a replacement should your GoPro become damaged. The next is details on how to set up the GoPro by downloading the application, and it also shows you how to install the battery and the memory card. If you did need further help, there is also another piece of information which guides you to a web page in which, if you do need help, you can actually speak to someone from GoPro. This is then followed up by 2 GoPro stickers along with some important product information with regards to your warranty and safety instructions. If you have ever owned a GoPro, then you will know of the little plastic piece that has to be removed in order to unfasten the action camera from its mounting buckle. And if you have, then you'll know of how tedious this can be. It wasn't too bad on previous models, but it's been redesigned on the GoPro Hero 8, and this contraption for some reason is really difficult to remove. Once this has been removed, you can see the design differences between this and previous models. The first thing being the mount fingers, which are now integrated directly into the body. Furthermore, there is no longer a mounting frame. There are other subtle changes, such as an integrated lens, which means that if the lens ever got damaged, the entire unit would have to be replaced. There are other changes which I will go over in the review, so ensure you're subscribed and have the notifications turned on. So that has been it for today's video. If you have got any questions, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Alternatively, you could also hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.